Good morning. We are in the field for opening season of dove hunting. It's about 6 in the morning and the sun is just coming up. We're out here with Pops. Hopefully the birds start flying. Above you, coming in. Whole bunch. Yeah. I got one. Or maybe you got that one, I don't know. Well, you got it. One of you. Got one. Bingo! Morning, dove. You shot the one that I was aiming for. Flying really high today. Right here, 3 more. Fold. Right, we are switching spots right now. And we are shooting it. So earlier this morning we were shooting over there, moved about a mile or 2. Now we are shooting a lot of good doves out here in the Casa Grande heat. It's been nice this year. We've had overcast mornings, a bit cooler. All right, it's time for bird cleaning. Oops. Still got a lot of ammo. Oh, Dylan got him.
Want me to go get him?
If you want to be a dove collector.
Yep, I got it.
Woo. Watch your steps.
Good shooting, Uncle Dylan.
He's on it. I know.
Oh, bird.
It's pretty high.
Nope.
Oh.
Did you get him?
No, I didn't. Yeah, those are pretty high up. So we're packing up early. There's a dust storm coming in.
Oh wow, yeah, that's close. It's like at that tower.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's starting.
All right, so we just left the hunting field right in time. We got a big sandstorm, aka a haboob, coming in. These are common in Arizona, and it's not our first one. 2 years ago, we got stuck in a big one as well, and now we know we got to get out of the field right when we get that warning on our phone. Wow, too dangerous almost to drive in. Carrie's calling me. Hello?
See anything?
Yeah, I know. This is actually really crazy.
Pull over and stop.
Yeah, I pulled over to the left.
left.